Hi everyone, this is Carolyn, one of the tech admins at WeTreat, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your services in the platform. Now, before we get started, I want to make sure that you're on a laptop or desktop. This cannot be done on a mobile device. After you log in, we will navigate to the left-hand side under the Settings tab. From here, you'll see the subtabs in the top right corner, and we will click Services. Before you edit any services, please keep in mind you will need to review all of your goals and all of your consent forms. You may have noticed some pre-populated services that your account manager might have added for you to make things easy. It's important to click the service and make sure that the proper goals are assigned to the correct services as well as the correct consent forms and press save. If you do not offer the service, you can locate the status of the service and mark it as not offered and press save. All of the services that are active will populate at the top, and all of the services that are not offered would then fall to the bottom. If there is a new service that you wanted to add to your menu for approval, then at the top right corner, there is a new service button. From here, you can ensure that status is active, enter a title of the name of your service, add the appropriate goals, and consent forms. There is a duration box at this time. You can just put 10 minutes. That is for a feature that is launching soon. If you have any questions on this section, please reach out to your account manager.